Welcome to Bodybuilding for Life channel. Today's video is about Dennis Wolf. At 44 years old, he looks very healthy and fit. Dennis is a retired IFBB pro bodybuilder and his nickname is Big Bad Wolf. Dennis currently weighs at 211 pounds or 96 kilograms, but back in the day Dennis in off season was 300 pounds. Now he enjoys his life and he looks much healthier and he doesn't need that much muscle on his body. And of course he doesn't need to eat as much as he was back when he was competing. Dennis is a legend in bodybuilding. He was known for his amazing condition. He was always sharp on stage and the only weakness of his body was his calves. Side by side, he was never dwarfed by Ronnie Coleman or Jay Cutler. He was near them, but the genetics and the structure of the body play a big role in this sport. Dennis back in the day was a huge monster. He was very big, a mass monster. I hope all the best and a good life for Mr. Dennis Wolf. That's all for today's video. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.